Hi there! I am so glad that you are watching this. I like to share with you this simple and easy recipe. And most importantly, so yummy that you can make for you and your family in just a few minutes. I am making Asian stir-fried chicken. If you haven't seen my other videos, let me tell you, I love onions. Here I have about an onion cut up in bite sizes and set aside. A packet of Costco boneless, skinless chicken legs and thighs, cut into bite sizes according to your mouth diameter. Now, I love eating healthy, but healthy is just how to compromise with me. The beauty of cooking your own food is to use what you want in it. So I advise you to pick the chicken that suits your needs. I also add garlic, smashed and chopped some for yourself like this, and a couple of tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil you can afford. I can afford canola oil. When a wok is hot, in the garlic and keep an eye on it. Chicken, throw them in, kick them around for a minute. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar. Yes, black pepper. 5 minutes or so and our baby chicken should be done. Now this is optional. This is when I will throw in my onions. I like it slightly cooked instead of mushy for this dish. And this is how you bring out the Asian in the chicken. Add a few dashes of low sodium soy sauce. You're done. See how easy that is? But I am not. Usually you can pair this with pretty much rice, noodles, or even add these to your hoagies. Or just eat these and they will never make it to the table. For me, today my bitter melons in the garden are calling for me, so here I come. One of my favorite ways to enjoy these babies is to just simply slice them up into bite sizes. Make a salad base for these chicken. Here we go. Because I always have some fried shallots, so I gotta sprinkle some in. If I call this a salad, I am gonna add some roasted cashew nuts for some crunchiness. I also add some basils since I have some in the garden. Sprinkle them on. There you have it. I hope you will give this easy recipe a try. Be simple or be fancy. Just be you and cook what you can enjoy. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up for my best effort of posting this for you. Subscribe and share if you really like my cooking. Thank you. Bye bye.